Hey, in this demo, we are going to see the RTW integration with Git and with RTAS. Let's get into the GitHub and create a new RFT repository. Let's give the name of as RFT simple Git. Create the repository. It's the same process for RPT also. Let's clone the Git URL. Let's get into the RFT. You can see there is a Git perspective. If you don't see this Git perspective, then you can open it from Windows perspective. There you can see Git. Let's clone the project. You can see that the cloned project has been created. Now let's create a RFT project. Go to the web UI test file, create a new web UI test project. RFT simple git. You can see that the project has been created. To associate it with the Git, right click on the project, go to the team, share project, select Git, then select the repository, finish. Let's give a commit message, commit and push. Now you can see that the project has been committed to GitHub. Let's go to the GitHub to see those asserts. When we refresh it, we can see those asserts has been pushed. Now let's see, go to RTAS and configure RTAS for this GitHub. Within the repository, add the repository. Provide the credentials. So now RFT is being configured for RTAS. Now let's create a repository for RIT. Let's open it in the desktop. Let's copy the location of the file repository. Then let's clone the repository to that path. Now let's go to RIT and create the RIT project in that repository path, which we copied from GitHub. So the project is getting created. Now you can see that below you see that's master. There are 9 artifacts that's been created. To see the configuration, go to preference, Git. There you can see the Git credentials. Now let's create a few asserts in RIT. Right click on the artifact and then deliver changes. Give the commit message. So now we are delivering the new artifacts into the Git repository. Let's go to the Git repository and refresh it. Now you can see that the artifacts are refreshed. Let's go to RTAS and add the RIT Git repository. Provide the credentials. Add the project. So now we saw in this demo of configuring RTW with Git.